Look at how tender that is. Oh my God. That's venison, dude. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are smoking an entire deer leg in our homemade smoker. This is a front shoulder from a deer we got last season. And so I'm just gonna get it seasoned up here with, we're gonna be using some soy sauce, vinegar, salt and pepper. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna poke a bunch of holes in there so our soy sauce and our vinegar can get inside that meat and really get the flavor in there and help break down the tissues. As you know, venison is a very lean meat. So we'll get a bunch of holes on both sides, and then we'll go ahead and pour our soy sauce directly onto the meat, making sure we get it in those holes, as well as our apple cider vinegar. Now you can use red wine. I think red wine's a really nice pairing for deer, but I didn't have any on hand. But the apple cider vinegar will do the trick. We'll make sure to do that same thing on both sides before seasoning it with a little bit of fresh ground sea salt, some black pepper, and finally some garlic powder. So now that we have it all seasoned up, we're gonna put it in the fridge overnight, or at least 3 to 4 hours before we put it in the smoker.
Alright guys, here is our haunch. Look at that thing. We got the smoker preheated. Full deer leg, man. This is the front quarter. We've got it seasoned up. We're gonna put it on the smoker here, about 200, 225, and smoke it for a couple hours. Then we're gonna wrap it in bacon, smoke it a little bit more, wrap it, and finish it off for a couple more hours. Hopefully it turns out great. Check it out.
Cherry chips on there.
Here we go. We got her hanging. Now we close it.
Okay, Lucy.
All right, you guys, it's been a couple hours here. Oh yeah, we put it up on the rack. Look at that smoke. Oh my God, yes.
Oh yeah, baby.
Look at this thing. All right, we're gonna get it wrapped. We're also gonna add a little, once we get it wrapped up, on top of the foil, we're gonna add a little bit of beer. So, extra bacon. We added some fat because we know venison is very lean meat. So now, I'm just gonna give it a nice lift here for you. You can put some here. God, it is windy out today. Not the best day for a smoker, but it's going pretty well. Pat, what's the motto? What's the slogan? It's gonna be good. All right, we're gonna put that back on. Probably about 2 more hours here. We got 225 degrees, and it's gonna be fall apart tender, hopefully. If not, it's still gonna be good. Let's check it out.
Me.
Oh, you guys. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that, that's so tender. That's so tender and juicy, dude. Oh yeah, we need a, here we go. This is gonna work. Look at this. Look at this, you guys. Look at how tender that is. Oh my God. That's venison, dude. That's some tender. Look at that. Holy sh. Wow. That is some tender venison. Look at that. Look at how tender that is. Look at that. I don't think I've ever seen venison so tender. The bone, that's a bone just coming right out. All right, you guys.
I couldn't wait.
We're gonna try it. It's so hot. It's the most tender deer I've ever seen. So yeah, you guys, if you're ever gonna try to, if you want to try to cook a whole venison roast, a whole venison leg, this is a great recipe. Here we go, you guys. Venison always good with wild rice. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments section down below. So anyway, until the next one, bakes out.
That is probably the best smoked meat I've had ever. With the bacon, oh,
Heck yeah.
absolutely amazing.
Yeah. Everybody do like, oh. That's not very all.
Bendy spoon, you know.